Remember to bring your wrist right against your shin.
Hey, you said.
Remember to get your wrist right against your shin.
So?
Yep.
Sorry, can't do.
Go nice and slow. Warm it up.
This was all off the record. Can't be putting a logo on it.
Nice. Now start to speed up, nice and gentle.
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Oh.
That's okay, that's okay. George, do you mind holding this for a sec?
Sure.
Just keep recording. So what's going on probably is it's just going to keep riding up. You're probably rocking your bow. Try and keep it nice and parallel with the ground, nice and level. And it should cover itself. So, just tighten that. And get your wrist, that roundness of your wrist right against your shin. Okay, nice concavity of your wrist. Lock it in, yep. And move this back. And warm up slowly, so nice and slow. Yep. You got it. Nice and slow. Don't have to speed up yet. Just making the smoke and building the dust. All you got to do is fill that notch, and then you can start to put power into it. Doing good, doing good. Remember to breathe. Don't breathe right on the drill. You don't want to cool it down too much. You're doing good, you're doing good. Okay, give it some speed. Push down as hard as you can on this. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, oh, oh. You got a number. You got a number right there. You got a number. Oh, careful, relax. Okay, you're good. You have 2 numbers. See, you are definitely good. Get some breath in you. I'll bring it over. Don't worry about it yet. You've got all that to grow. Give yourself some breath. That was all you, man. That was all you. Alright, let's toss a little bit of char cloth in there just to keep it going. It didn't make a lot of powder. Surprisingly, not a lot of powder in that made a big ember. You got 2, there's still an ember right there. Incredible. Rip up some char cloth, put it in there, just keep it going. Right on. Well, okay, I'm going to let you get some air. Give yourself about 30 seconds before you start blowing on that. Remember the technique from yesterday?
Yeah.
Thanks, George. Thanks. Let's see that smoke. Remember to start to pinch her up gently?
Like this?
Yep. Give her some stronger breath. Give her some stronger breath now. Remember to move it back a bit when you want to take a breath. Give her some strong air now. You got it going. You got her, you got her. There's that green smoke. Oh! There it is! Hey! Skabewis. Skabewis. Alright. Look at the camera. Say hi to the world.
There you have it, folks. No lighters.
You got this. You got this.